Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to upload guys Lava phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Lava phone guys sound vibration setting. And today video title is guys how to on vibrate for call setting on Lava mobile. Friends, you want to on vibrate for calls. Friends, you want your phone should vibrate on calls, so you can on from your phone settings. So friends, now let's see how to on vibrate for call setting on Lava mobile. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your Lava phone setting. After on Lava phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Lava mobile. Friends, click here sound setting. After on sound setting friends, you want to set ringtone, you want to set notification ringtone, alarm ringtone sound, so you can set and you can change from your. Friends, you can see vibrate for call setting, click here. Friends, there are two options, always vibrate and vibrate first the ring gradually. So friends, you want to use guys vibrate first time, so you can set guys vibrate first. And friends, you want to use guys always your phone should vibrate, so friends click here always vibrate. So guys, your phone, your Lava mobile guys vibrate for calls. So friends, you want to use your Lava mobile vibrate for call setting, so you can on from your. And friends, you want to on do not disturb setting. So friends, if you want do not disturb friends, you can see only get not. So I only get important people and app guys, you will get notification if you select people, and guys if you select app guys. So like that friends, you can use do not disturb setting also. And friends, if you click advanced setting, so friends you can use other sound vibration setting. Example guys, dial pad tone, screen lock sound, phone charging sound, touch sound setting is here. So friends, you can use your sound setting. And friends, you don't want to use phone vibrate for call setting friends, if you click never vibrate, so friends your Lava mobile will never vibrate for calls. So like that friends, we can use vibrate for call setting. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.